How are you? Hope you all are fit and healthy. I am your English ma'am, Urmil Joshi from Arden Progressive School, Lamachor. So students, after PT1, today we will start our next unit from Marigold book, that is unit number 3, and the chapter number is 5. This is a poem, Little by Little. Little by Little. This is the name of the poem. Today we will study Little by Little. So you all know that every biggest tree starts life as tiny seeds. You all know that we sow the seed under the ground, and after some time, day by day and year by year, it becomes a huge tree and a biggest tree. So like this, in this poem also, here acorn, that is the fruit of the oak tree, and this acorn tells how it grows day by day, year by year, and at last it becomes a mighty oak and the pride of the forest. So this is the growth of the oak tree, how it becomes a mighty oak from a tiny seed. So take out your book Marigold and open the page number 23. So what is acorn? Acorn is a fruit of an oak tree. So this is the picture of acorn. This is the picture of an acorn, and this is the picture of an oak tree. This is the very biggest tree of the forest, and it starts its journey from a seed. ये अपनी journey seed से start करता है, and day by day it grows and becomes a mighty oak. And the fruit of an oak tree is eaten by so many birds, and this is the bird that eats acorn named jay. This is pigeon, this is mouse, and this is squirrel. So these birds and mammals eat the fruit of an oak tree. So now I am starting the poem. First, I will recite the poem, and after that, I will explain both the paragraphs. So, I am starting little by little. Little by little, an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little, the leaves appeared, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest pride. So in this poem, an acorn said, an acorn is saying, acorn, the fruit of the oak tree is saying in this poem that little by little and slowly, slowly, it sank in its mossy bed. You all have seen this kind of bed, this kind of place. This is the mossy bed, and an acorn goes down in the mossy bed, and it improves itself each day. Each day it improves, becoming better day by day, and it is hidden away in the earth away. It goes down, it goes deep in the earth, and every day it grew. It grew day by day, and it sips little amount of water daily from the moisture of the mossy bed, and the dew, the water drops from the grass. It drinks from the ground. Downward it sent out a thread-like root, and after that it grows and there appears some tiny roots under the ground. अब आप क्या देखते हैं कि थोड़े टाइम बाद एकॉर्न में क्या होता है, उसमें से टाइनी रूट्स निकलती हैं, जड़ें निकलती हैं. You all know the parts of plant. So under the ground there are so many roots, tiny roots. So like this, in acorn also, it grows some roots under the ground. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot, and above plant it grows some tiny shoots also. Day by day and year by year, daily it is becoming better. Day by day it is growing. It is growing, and after that some leaves appear there. It seems there are so many leaves in the plant, and some branches, some thin branches also appears and spreads far and wide. दूर दूर तक खूब उसमें branches आ जाती हैं, टहनियाँ आ जाती हैं, and till the mighty oak is the forest's pride, and it becomes the pride of the forest as it grows into a large or a biggest tree, that is the mighty oak. So in this poem, what is happening? Day by day and year by year, an oak tree grows as tiny seeds. It starts its journey from a seed, and it grew and becomes a huge and mighty oak of the forest pride. So like this, we also, and a child also wants to grow as wise, as intelligent, and we also know that a baby starts growing and becomes a child, becomes a man, becomes an old man. So like this is the growth process of tree and a child. So we should do every day continuous and hard work to get success like this oak tree. Like this an oak tree. हमें भी क्या करना चाहिए? हमें कंटिन्यूस, लगातार और हमेशा हार्ड वर्क करना चाहिए to get success in our life also, like this acorn. हमें इस acorn के जैसे ही क्या करना चाहिए? Daily we should do hard work and continuous work to become successful. So here some hard words and word meanings I am writing, and you have to write them in your fair notebook of English literature. So first you will write the name of the chapter, then you will write the hard words of this poem. So first word is acorn, A-C-O-R-N, acorn. Second word is H-I-D-D-E-N, hidden. Third word is mossy, M-O-S-S-Y, mossy. S-I-P-P-E-D, sit. S-P-R-E-A-D, spread. A-P-P-E-A-R, appear. Next is T-H-R-E-A-D, thread. S-L-E-N-D-E-R, slender. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. B-R-I-T-E, bright. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches. Branches. Last word is S-A-N-K, sand. So these are the hard words you have to write. Again I am repeating: acorn, hidden, mossy, sit, spread, appear, thread, slender, forest, bright, branches, sank. writing word meanings of this poem. So here words and their meanings. So first word is acorn, A-C-O-R-N, acorn, fruit of the oak tree, fruit of the oak tree, oak tree का fruit. Second word is mossy, M-O-S-S-Y, mossy, covered with moss, covered with moss. Moss means kai, covered with moss. Next word is A-P-P-E-A-R, appear. Appear means to see. Next is slender, S-L-E-N-D-E-R, slender. Slender means thin. Slender branches means thin branches, patli patli टहनियाँ. Next word is mighty, M-I-G-H-T-Y, mighty. Mighty means very strong, शक्तिशाली, very strong. Downward, D-O-W, and down, W-A-R-D, word. Downward means towards a lower place, towards a lower place, towards a lower place. और नीचे को उसको बोलते हैं हम downwards. Next is sipped, S-I-P-P-E-D, sipped. Sipped means sip करना, मतलब small quantity, drink in a small quantity, small, to drink in a small quantity, to drink in a small quantity, बहुत थोड़ी थोड़ी मात्रा में पीना. We also sip water and milk, juice also, like this, sipped, to drink in a small quantity. Now the next word hidden, H-I-D-D-E-N, hidden. Hidden मतलब unclear, that is not clear. Next is shoot. Shoot क्या होता है? What is shoot? Part of a plant that grow above, part of a plant that grow above, जो ऊपर की तरफ होता है उसको हम कहते हैं shoot. Next is sprang, S-P-R-A-N-G, sprang. Sprang means move suddenly upwards, next is slowly, S-L-O-W-L-Y, slowly. Slowly मतलब at a slow speed, बहुत ही धीरे से बढ़ना, at a slow speed. Pride. Pride means a feeling of joy, a feeling of joy due to some achievement, due to some achievement. When we achieve something and we get happy, that is the pride movement. That is the pride movement. So, an oak tree is also the pride of the forest, because an oak tree grows in the forest and it becomes the pride of the forest. That is the joyful moment, joyful time, a feeling of joy due to some achievement. So these were the words and their meanings you have to write in your notebook. So what is the moral of the poem? The moral of the poem is that we should do hard and continuous work as acorn do, and it gets success at last and becomes mighty oak and becomes the pride of the forest. So like the acorn, we should also do the continuous and hard work to get success in our life. So this was the poem. We will meet you soon in our next video. Take care. Till then.